Dinner salad with chickpeas and feta cheese. Recipe for a filling and very good salad for dinner. The salad is based on a Greek salad, but we have also added chickpeas, avocado, lots of fresh parsley, and a classic vinaigrette with mustard and honey. The dish is vegetarian and can also be served as a side dish to salmon, chicken, or grilled food. What we need is cucumber, red onion, tomatoes, avocado, feta cheese, olives, chickpeas, fresh parsley, walnuts, and also we need 1 tablespoon mustard, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of honey. How we make it? First, mix all the ingredients for a dressing by keeping them in a glass with a lid and shake well. So find out a big salad bowl. Cut cucumber and avocado into cubes, finely chop red onion and cut small tomatoes in half. Put in the bowl. Rinse the chickpeas with cold water and put in the bowl with the rest. Then add the olives and mix the salad together. Open the package of feta cheese and cut it into cubes. Coarsely chop parsley and walnuts. Add the salad and mix gently. Serve the salad with dressing and preferably fresh focaccia.